Two of the most popular cashback cards face off, but which one actually gets you more for your money? On the left, the Chase Freedom Flex, famous for maximizing rewards with bonus categories. And on the right, Capital One Quicksilver, known for effortless cashback on everything, everywhere. Let's ditch the marketing talk and compare what really matters. Every round, each feature earns points, so by the end, you'll see exactly which card fits your wallet best. And the winner might surprise you. Okay, quick roadmap for what we're going to compare. Here's the mind map. We'll look at reward structure, welcome bonus, foreign usage, annual fee, additional perks, intro APR and credit needs, and ease of use. Got your mental checklist? Sweet. Let's kick it off with the big one. Rewards. All right, first up, reward structure. Starting with Chase Freedom Flex. Honestly, if you can handle a little bit of homework each quarter, this card's a beast. 5% cash back on rotating categories. That could be groceries one quarter, gas stations the next, and you get up to $1,500 each time. Oh, and you get 5% if you book travel through Chase, plus 3% at restaurants and drugstores. Everything else? That's a flat 1%. The catch? Yep, you do have to activate those bonus categories, and your 5% is capped to $1,500 every 3 months. But, if you play your cards right, you can maximize your rewards like crazy. Now, over to Quicksilver. This one's honestly easy as pie. No messing around with categories. Every single purchase gets you 1.5% cash back. No caps, no activation, literally just swipe and earn. Of course, you don't get those juicy 5% categories, so if you're all about the highest possible returns, Chase has the edge. Bottom line for rewards, Chase Freedom Flex totally wins if you're willing to keep up with the categories. Next up, welcome bonus. And look, not much drama here. Both cards actually offer a pretty nice $200 bonus when you drop $500 in the first 3 months. No hidden catches or extra hoops, so you can snag that bit of cash back really easily. So yeah, both are good, but Chase Flex does feel just a tiny bit more generous with a few extra perks tied to the bonus. So it squeezes ahead. Now let's talk about foreign usage. This is one that can trip people up, especially if you're traveling in 2025 or shopping online with international merchants. Chase Freedom Flex is accepted worldwide, sure. But as soon as you use it outside the US, bam, a 3% foreign transaction fee. Oh man, that adds up fast. Meanwhile, Quicksilver just rolls past all that drama. No foreign transaction fees, period. So if you're a globetrotter, this one's obvious. Capital One Quicksilver wins super easy in this round. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. The Chase Freedom Flex uses the MasterCard network, while Capital One Quicksilver actually lets you pick if you want Visa or MasterCard. Kind of fun detail, right? All right, annual fee time. And hey, quick pause, because this is an easy one. Both cards are absolutely free to keep in your wallet year after year. No annual fee, nada. And truly, that is how a starter cashback card should be. So this one is a straight-up tie. No snarky remarks needed. Shifting to additional perks. Chase Freedom Flex. Okay, here's something cool. Chase always seems to toss in some bonus extras. Like right now, you get 6 months of free DoorDash Dash Pass, if you activate, and 5% back on select Lyft rides through September 2027. But yeah, most of these perks require you to remember to activate them, and they won't last forever. Quicksilver? It has some access to events and experiences, but honestly, there are way fewer ongoing bonus perks. So, if you're chasing those extra little rewards, Chase pulls ahead here. Freedom Flex wins the perks game. Now, let's tackle intro APR and credit needs. Both cards are pretty dang similar. You get a 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. After that, rates jump up. So if you're not careful, you could be paying from 19-ish% all the way up to near 28 to 29%. Both cards also want you to have good to excellent credit. So really, there's no big difference here, making this category a tie. And finally, ease of use. This is going to be a deal breaker for some people, I swear. With Chase Freedom Flex, you actually have a shot at higher earning, but you got to activate bonus categories, watch for the quarterly switcheroo, and remember to use the right card for the right purchase. Doesn't exactly scream carefree. Quicksilver, though? You literally just use it and get 1.5% back every single time. There are no rotating categories, no tricks, and you don't have to think about anything. So for total simplicity, Quicksilver wins the ease of use crown. So after all those comparisons, you can totally see where each card shines and where it trips up. Rewards? Chase Flex takes the cake. Foreign use and ease of use? That's all Quicksilver. Some features really do depend on how much effort you want to put into your credit card game. All right, here's my take. If you love maxing out rewards, don't mind a bit of category tracking, and mostly shop or travel in the US, Chase Freedom Flex is a killer choice. But if you want zero fuss, especially if you travel internationally, Quicksilver just makes life super easy. It's almost a tie overall, but personally, I'd lean toward whichever card matches your lifestyle best. Still on the fence? Honestly, just think about what you spend most on. The Chase Freedom Flex is all about highest rewards, but needs a little bit of hustle, while Quicksilver is perfect for folks who want earning to be totally effortless. Pick the card that fits your vibe and start stacking up those cashback rewards.